Hello again, it's me, Des. This time round I'll be breaking Top Showcase Champions League 15-16. This is for my own personal collection, so good luck to me. Alright, let's do this. There will be one autograph card in each of the two mini boxes inside. My biggest hit from this collection was Luis Suarez, which is also numbered to I think 150. So it's luck of the draw. I'm hoping to land one of the Legends cards. If I can land a Roberto Carlos card, then I don't have to go after him next week. So let's hope for the best. Yeah, hopefully I can also complete the base set. I think I'm 10 to 20 cards short of the complete base card set. Okay. Alright, there we go. One guaranteed autograph card per mini box. 6 cards per pack. 6 packs per mini box. Let's see what I have in both boxes. Alright, let's open up the 6 packs in the first box before we venture off to the second mini box. Alright, let's see what I got. There will be some non-signature numbered cards in some of these packs as well. Hopefully I can land some big players. Let's not destroy the packs for this one. De Bruyne. Nothing fantastic yet. Top Showcase Champions League 16-17 is about to be released. So I'm guessing prices for this product would fall soon after. So for anyone who's interested in getting one. And first hit, we could really use you right now, man. Steven Gerrard's partner in crime in midfield during those heydays under Rafa Benitez. Xabi Alonso, enjoy your retirement at the end of the season. Fantastic. You know, back in 2009 when Liverpool was touring Singapore, never had the chance to get him. So you know what? This is a good hit for me. His signature is pretty simple though. Research that on the internet when I'm done here. Top Showcase Champions League 15-16 has quite a lot of Bayern Munich players, past and present. Alright, if you're a Bayern Munich fan, you might want to take a pop at this product and see who you can get. Very nice. Not numbered, but I don't really care. I've never gotten him before. Well done. Alright, let's finish off. There will most likely be maybe one numbered card left. Also, do look out for one of the exclusive inserts in this collection called Best of the Best. Those are pretty hard to get to. Not guaranteed in every box. So this is our numbered card. 9 out of 99. Zoran Tosic. Nothing fantastic, but not complaining. Usually the breakdown of auto cards would be one belonging to a big player and one belonging to a not so. Oh wow, what is this? It's a 1 of 1. This is the first time I've seen a 1 of 1 in Topps Showcase, but of course not too big a player to hit. I mean, he's not even playing for Shakhtar Donetsk now. He's gone off to China. Alex Teixeira, 1 of 1. Very nice. You know what? This is a good mini box. And I've been collecting high-end cards from Panini, from Topps, for close to 6 months now. I've started with Euro Prism, and I've never gotten a 1 of 1. So this is my first 1 of 1 hit. Wow. I think this deserves a top loader. Hopefully the 1 of 1 would start streaming in. This is nice. Alright, I'll top load it later, because I don't think this one would fit nicely into a 130 point top loader. So I'm holding back this one for the other autograph kit in the other mini box. This is nice. Alright, so I'm done with the first mini box. On to the second one. Hopefully more surprises in these 6 packs. By far the best mini box that I've had. I've bought 4 boxes from a locally based seller. I got the Suarez, but the other 3 boxes were not fantastic at all. This is the first time I'm ordering Topps Showcase straight from the US, and I'm quite happy with what I have now. Maybe the third one. Open it this way. Yes, there are teams featured in this collection that you don't see in Match Attack's Champions League 15-16. For example, Bate Borisov, FC Astana, which is the Kazakhstan side, and oh, okay, I've actually gotten him before. So this is my first ever repeat autograph card. Marcus Rosenberg, Malmo. I've gotten him before. It's the exact same card, not numbered. So this is a rather disappointing one. So I guess the law of averages do apply. You can't have things go your way all the time. First mini box was fantastic. The second one, well, not so much. But I'm happy with the Alonso. I'm happy with the Teixeira 1 of 1. This is the first time I've ever seen a 1 of 1 out of this product. So these are the 2 auto hits. No jersey cards in this collection, which is what I like about it. Not really a big fan of jersey cards. Alright, let's finish off this break. 3 more packs to go. I hope I didn't miss out on the numbered card. Should be in one of these 3 packs. So, what do we have here? Nothing fantastic. There we go. FC Astana, I think. Nusrabayev, 37 of 50. Last pack. Well, pretty disappointed that there's no Legends player hits. You would expect a few legends in this collection, like Van Basten, Roberto Carlos, Lothar Matthäus, I think, and Paolo Maldini. No such luck here. Alright, so that completes our one box break for Topps Showcase Champions League 15-16. The hit cards, just to summarize, these are the two auto cards, which is just about fair from a big team and a not so big team. And a pleasant surprise would be this one. Let me put it in a 130 top loader anyway, and then I'll just transfer it over to something else later on. A really, really pleasant surprise. A 1 of 1 Alex Teixeira. I believe the lettering is in gold. Yeah. Alright, that concludes our Topps Showcase one box break. I'll be coming back maybe with a basketball product box break a little later on. So, goodbye. Cheers.